Section 2, Video 3. If angle GHI and angle JKL are complementary, okay, and we know that complementary means 90 degrees, what is the measure of each angle? So here's an example where we're given some shapes, we're told they're complementary, and we have to use that information to create an equation. So we know that if the two angles are complementary, then angle H plus angle K must add up to 90 degrees. Well, they tell us this information. So we can say 8R plus 9 plus 7R plus 6 must add up to 90 degrees. So if we combine like terms, 8R and 7R is 15R, 9 and 6 is 15. So combining like terms, subtract 15, and we get 15R equals 75. Divide by 15 on both sides, and R equals 5. Now if R is 5, we can use that to go back here and plug it into each R. So that means we would say 8 times 5 plus 9. And here we would say 7 times 5 plus 6, which gives us 49 degrees for that whole angle and 41 degrees for that angle. So a little bit of work on that one, but again, a great example of having information without it being told specifically. A little bit of work there. What is the measure of STU? STU is this angle right here. Notice we have two lines crossing. That means that this angle 1 and this angle 2 are vertical angles, and they are equal. So that means angle STU equals 18 degrees. Now number 3, blow that up a little bit. Find the measure of ABD, this angle, and DBC, this angle. Now notice that they share a side, which means they're adjacent. They form a straight line, which means that the pair is a linear pair. And by what we just learned, a linear pair are two angles that make a straight line. And a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So we can say that the first angle plus the second angle must add up to 180 degrees. Very similar to our first question about being complementary. If we combine like terms, 3x plus 5x is 8x, 7 minus 3 is plus 4, equals 180. Subtract 4, we have 8x equals 176. Divide both sides by 8, and x equals 22. Now what is the measure of each angle? So we take that 22, we put it into each x position. So this would be 3 times 22 plus 7, and this would be 5 times 22 minus 3. Oops, sorry. My parentheses in the wrong place. There we go. There we go. We do that calculation, then 3 times 22 plus 7 is 73 degrees, and 5 times 22 minus 3 is 107 degrees. And those are the individual measurements. And this ends Section 2, Video 3.